Hey guys, I'm Shubhangi Patil and today I'm here to teach you hierarchy of collection. So in our previous video we have seen what is collection, the difference between collection and the array, and now we'll see the hierarchy of collection. And we know that this collection is available in the util package. So just yeah. So see this collection, and this collection is interface actually. Increase the font size a little bit, font size, or in a bold. I hope this is visible to everyone. Okay, so this is a collection and collection is a interface. So I'm writing here in the bracket so that you can remember it very well. And when it uh, what to say, when it will be introduced, so it will be introduced in 1.2 version, Java 1.2 version, it will be introduced. Then okay, collection is interface. I have written sorry. Yes, then there is a three things. One is a list. So list is an again interface, and we have seen the interface concept, and list is introduced in okay, list is introduced in 1.2. Then we have the set here. Set is again interface, and set is introduced in 1.2. And then we have a list, set, and queue. So here queue is also interface, and it will introduced in 1.5 version of the Java. Okay. Again, this is now list is divided. Let's have the yes. So the three type, one is the array list, then, but here the array list is a class, remember, and introduced in 1.2. Then vector, 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 again, vector is a class. For the class I have written okay 1.0, and the next is the linked list. Okay, linked list is again a one again class introduced in 1.2. Okay, then vector has a part, vector has a one part, stack. So this is a hierarchy which you need to remember, and this is a C. That means it is a class. It is introduced in the 1.0. If it is introduced in 1.0, so uska hierarchy bhi 1.0 mein hai. So this is a one part. Then similar here when we are talking about a set. So set is categorized into the two. One is the hash set, and each one has their own properties. Okay, so hash set is a class here. 1.2 introduction, introduced in 1.2. Then here the sorted set. We'll see one by one the difference, the list, the set, and the difference between list, set, queue. This is sorted set is an interface and introduced in 1.2 version. Hash set is one child, and that is the linked hashed set. And this is a class. And introduced in 1.4 version. No? Sorry. Okay. Then the sorted array as the sorted array as a navigable set. Navigable set. It is an interface introduced in the 1.6, and again this navigable set has the tree set. So this tree set is a class introduced in 1.2. So this is related to your list and the set when we'll talk about a queue. So in queue, we have a prioritized queue and the blocking queue. So this is prioritize. This is priority queue. Priority queue, it is a class 1.5 introduction. And one more is a blocking queue. This is again a class introduction in 1.5. Blocking queue is again have a parts like again have the subclasses priority blocking queue and the linked blocking queue. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll write priority blocking queue as it is a class. So each word should be the with the capital letter. It should start with the capital letter. So this is a class. And one more. The linked blocking queue. We have one more. Here it is also the class and 1.5 introduction. Again, we have one more thing that is a map. Okay, so list, set, queue, and map we have. So now I'll save this one. So here in the collection is interface. In the collection interface, we have a list, set, queue, and one more interface is there that is called the map. So I will making a map diagram. Okay, I will create a map diagram here in the new file. Map, it is an interface. There is a hash map, identity hash map, weak hash map, sorted map, and one more dictionary. Okay, map. This is for identity hash map. This is for the weak hash map. This is sorted map. Okay, so instead of this, I'll write okay directly. So what we have one is a hash map. Hash map, then identity hash map. Identity hash map. So identity hash map is a class and introduced in the 1.4 version. After that, we have the weak hash map. Weak hash map. Again, this is a class 1.2 version. And one more is a sorted map. Okay, so sorted map. This is a class. Sorry, this is an interface actually. So map is an interface in which we have a hash map is one class, identity hash map one class, then sorted map interface, and the weak hash map is one class. Again, the sorted map is categorized. Sorted map has a one navigable map. Navigable map interface introduced in the 1.6. This navigable map as one more class, that is your tree map. Okay, so this is a hierarchy which we have seen related to the collection. Tree map. Yes, so tree map, this is the class introduced in the 1.2. So we have seen the hierarchy of collections here. In the next video, we will understand, first of all, we will understand the list. What is a list here? And what is set? The difference between list, set, what is a queue? So we will understand this one by one and we will make a program on this. Thank you, everyone.